Hello friends, subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Thank you. Get ready for dictation. Start. Initially, there were no qualifications provided for the post of Vice Chancellor. Stop. However, the UGC-wide notification dated 30/6/2010 annexure P13 had provided qualifications for the post of Vice Chancellor. Stop. Respondent number 6 was not having the requisite qualifications for the post of Vice Chancellor. Therefore, the extension granted to him was Anita liable to be set aside. Stop. Learned Counsel has further submitted that 29/5/2014 I am approving this document. Chandigarh appointment and conditions of service were different. Stop. Recruitment must be governed by the UGC regulations. Stop. The UGC guidelines were binding on the university. Stop. In support of his arguments, Learned Senior Counsel has placed reliance on the decision of the Apex Court in University Grants Commission and another versus Neha Anil Bobde Gadekar 2013. Stop. Para. The UGC Act and in suppression of the University Grants Commission minimum qualifications required for the appointment and career advancement of teachers in universities and institutions affiliated to it regulations 2000 issued the University Grants Commission minimum qualifications for appointment of teachers and other academic staff in universities and colleges and other measures for the maintenance of standards in higher education regulations 2010. Stop. Regulation 2 states that the minimum qualifications for appointment and other service conditions of university and college teachers, librarians and directors of physical education and sports as a measure for the maintenance of standards in higher education shall be as provided in the annexure to the above regulations. Stop. Clause 3.1 of the annexure reads as follows. Para. NET/SET shall remain the minimum eligibility condition for recruitment and appointment of assistant professors in universities/colleges/institutions. Stop. Para. Provided, however, that candidates who are or have been awarded a PhD degree in accordance with the University Grants Commission minimum standards and Anita procedure for award of PhD degree clause 29/5/2014. Stop. I am approving this document. Chandigarh regulations 2009 shall be exempted from the requirement of the minimum eligibility condition of NET/SET for requirement and appointment of assistant professor or equivalent positions in universities/colleges/institutions. Stop. Para. We have elaborately referred to various statutory provisions which would clearly indicate that the UGC as an expert body has been entrusted by UGC Act the general duty to take such steps as it may think fit for the determination and maintenance of standards of teaching, examination and research in universities. Stop. It is also duty bound to perform such functions as may be prescribed or as may be deemed necessary by the Commission for advancing the cause of higher education in India. Stop. The UGC has also got the power to define the qualification that should ordinarily be required for any person to be appointed to the teaching staff of the university and to regulate the maintenance of standards and coordination of work and faculties in the university's staff.